Everyone, thank you for joining us and watching our Rebeth of the Heartland social media pages. I'm Kim, the sales manager, and I'm sitting here with Dana, our marketing manager. And today we're going to be talking about woods, mixing them, cabinetry, flooring, do's and don'ts, everything that you need to know about this. So do you want to start us off?
Yeah.
Okay.
So one of the main things that you want to think about when you're mixing your woods, because most people are like, no, we have to match all of our woodwork in our house. So we already have this, we want it to match. Some of the issues with that is that if that stain was available 20 years ago, we might not be able to get an exact match. And then when it's not an exact match, it starts to look a little off. So you're almost better kind of trying to go away from it and getting a more cohesive look. And what's great about that is if you do have the oak woodwork that was popular when houses were being built in the 90s, there's a lot of modern profiles that look really great with it. In fact, I have an oak here that is staying just a little bit darker. And when you put it next to that oak of the 90s, it actually goes really well. So you could throw in a vanity that's a little bit darker, still have all of your base and your window trim be that oak color, your doors, and it will look put together and design savvy. So
I mean, what I think about is a high-low contrast. So if this is something that's in your house and you want to remodel your bathroom, do not be afraid to high contrast something. It will make it pop, it will make it its own showpiece, and it's not going to be, oh, did you try to match that? And it's just kind of off. Yeah, like we don't want our wood tones to blend into each other, especially when you're, remodeling something and you want it to look a little bit up to date. It's not going to make this, look any different. It's going to make it pop. It's going to add something to it. So definitely don't be afraid to, do something, like I said, a little bit more high contrast. And a lot of times too, when I think of your bathroom, right? My bathroom, it's like its own little oasis, right? So it could be totally different from the rest of your house. So let's say that your house is, all white cabinetry. And then I get to and brush nickel finishes. And then I get to my bathroom and I'm like, you know what? I want to warm it up. I'm going to do some oak, and I'm going to put some different color fixtures on it, maybe a brushed gold, even a matte black or something along the line. So don't be afraid to make your bathroom an oasis.
Yes, I definitely agree with that. And she's talking about warming and colding, warm and cold. One of the things when you're mixing your woods, you want to keep warm toned woods with warm toned woods and cool toned woods with cool toned woods. So if your wood is a bit gray or your wood is more blacked out, really dark, then you want to probably go with a complementary gray, lighter gray wood.
That kind of brings me to the flooring. So we actually do a luxury vinyl plank here, and we also do what's called a Duraceramic. For the woods, actually, I have the luxury vinyl plank in my own home, and I love the product. I have children at home, so it's child-proof, which is great.
It's dog-proof.
It's dog-proof. It's pretty much everything proof. And we have so many different colors and so many different styles. Something that would go well with warm tones, like you were talking about. Something that would go more with the grays and the darks. This one that we're highlighting today is Fauna, and there's so many different blends in it that it could go with pretty much any type of, wood that you would choose for your vanity. And even here, if they can see a little bit, it goes so great with any type of tone.
It's
that
the safe bet.
It's very safe. If you wanted to do something that was warm, if you wanted to do something that was a little bit on the colder end, like I said, we have so many different styles, but this in particular would go very, very well.
Yes. So, just like in our previous videos where we talked about mixing metals, mixing woods is going to get you that put together professional look that is unique to your home and your style. And we are so proud that we can offer free design consultations with professionally trained designers to help you get that cohesive look. We do offer those Monday through Saturday. We offer evenings. We offer during the day on Saturday. And so we're trying to work around your schedule so that we can make sure you get the bathroom of your dreams.
Right. And our design team will come to your home. They will bring the showroom to your home. Whatever you can think of, they can solve that issue. So
even if you want something crazy, we can make it happen. We
Yeah.
have a wonderful production team that is always willing to go above and beyond for our customers to make sure that we can get some of that crazy stuff that we don't get asked a lot.
yes. So give us a call or stop by our showroom if you need us. Thank
Thanks.
you.